Hello everyone, welcome back to MBTech's channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to record your screen with PowerPoint. This means there's no need to install a screen recorder when you have a PowerPoint installed in your computer. So now I'm going to open PowerPoint. Starting like you are creating a presentation, and in the presentation here you have to click on record here. Once you open the record, welcome back to okay. Here in the record we have to record your presentation here, or you have to screenshot or screen record. Here you can select the area where I want to record. For instance, I want to record here. What I'm doing here, I can click, I can drag it and select the area. When you are done selecting the area, this one, you can click here for audio if you want to record it in an audio, and if you want to record the pointer here, you can put, or you can disable the pointer. Here you enable. Now start recording. You can see now it is counting. For instance, I want to open connection. I want to create a tutorial. Here, open 192.168.1.1. This is my 50%. Okay. Now to stop recording, you have to press the window logo key plus shift, then Q. You can see now it have been recorded, and you can play the recording what you are doing. Once you save, but to save the video now, once you are done, you have to export to a video, this one, and create a video here. You can create a video. You can specify the directory, so for that we want to save in. Then click save. You can see now it is creating a video presentation. You have to wait for a moment of time. Thanks for watching, my friends.